In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to build an audience for your business using social media. In the first instance, you've got to create strong social media profiles. Optimizing everything properly is really important. There has to be this seamless integration between all of the profiles that you use. Each of the different platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn, have to have the same logos, the same timeline covers. You have to have the About Us sections in every aspect of these filled out, incomplete, because this acts towards your social proof and has people reading them and you feeding them with the information whilst you're not there. Second of all, and most important to be honest with you, share quality content. Okay, in some instances, I think more quality content is much better than more often delivering just stuff. Okay, posting without purpose will eventually kill you off altogether. What you must be doing is making sure that every time you post on your timeline or newsfeed, there is a part of a campaign or a process. There is purpose behind it, educating people about your value proposition, making sure that they know that you can fix their pain points that they have. The third is using the Find Friends features on all of the platforms. We all have on average 155 connections or friends on the Facebook and Instagram platforms, probably more on LinkedIn or anything like that. But by utilizing these, you're able to grow your brand just that little bit quicker. You can overnight be putting on 50 to 60 new likes or followers on these platforms, again, adding to that social proof, having people or those connections, which is a part of an advocacy platform, engage with your content regularly, builds that social proof and that engagement presence that you need to look the part. A simple one but obvious at number 4 is adding all of these social media logos to your website, okay? By those web visitors knowing that at the very least they can keep abreast of what you've got on offer, what you've got to say on a regular basis. By having them in a very clear, prominent position often helps to have people know that you have each of these platforms available for them to follow. At number 5, a really simple and again slightly more obvious, but making sure each of these profiles are visible and clickable on your email signature. You communicate with people on a regular basis, and for me it seems like a massive wasted opportunity not to have an email signature created with each of these opportunities to advertise the fact that you're here and have this ever presence on all of these platforms. You might not have this opportunity to email them on a daily basis, but of course you have the opportunity to broadcast to these people on a daily basis. So let everybody know that you're available at these spaces too. At number 6, something that sounds pretty obvious, but we are more powerful right at this moment in time in this LinkedIn space. So by telling our LinkedIn community that we are available on Facebook, we have a presence on Instagram, by cross-promoting the platforms, again, is nice and simple, but definitely a sensible route forward to growing those platforms that you aren't so strong in. Number 7 is platform specific, and that is on Twitter. If you want to grow your Twitter following, reach out, engage with people directly. What we like in that too is a very strong and firm digital business card being thrust in somebody's hand. Okay, Twitter is quite difficult to grow as a platform, so don't be afraid, okay? If you can search for problems and issues that people are having, answer them, reach out, have this touch point with those people, and slowly but surely you will gain some kind of power inside that space relatively quickly. At number 8, use the influence of Facebook groups. You are the power play in your business, so go out using your personal profile, join a number of groups. I'm not suggesting share content into them from your business page because a lot of these places don't like it. But if you were to search for specific keywords inside a group and you start and begin to address people's pain points and issues that you're having, you will very quickly gain influence inside those spaces. Be consistent with that though, and it will start to pay forward. People will search for you. They'll try and find out where you are. In turn, your profile, particularly on Facebook, will start to grow nice and steady. And finally, number 10, by commenting on post and status updates both in Instagram and on LinkedIn, you will become noticed, and having people looking back at your profile in turn having the consideration that maybe they might want to follow you, or maybe they might want to outreach and connect with you so that they can be seeing more of this content coming out on a regular basis. Without you going out there and being brave, reaching out and hitting that like, or at least commenting on some other people's status updates, where are they going to find out from you? How are they going to know? So be brave, step out of that comfort zone, reach out and comment. In turn, your profiles will certainly grow. Listen, to be honest with you, we could have gone on and on and on. There's so many different things that you could be doing right at this moment to grow your profiles. There's going to be more of this type of stuff coming and filling your news feeds, so look out for it. If you want to make sure you do receive these on a regular basis, be sure to at least follow the platform that you're consuming this on right at this moment in time. It could be Facebook, LinkedIn, might even be Instagram or Twitter. So please be sure to hit that like, follow, even share button as well, as we'd like for you to share with friends and family just exactly how to maintain your social presence.